Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, this is Inaya Shumantari and Relief. We are here today asking you, our dear brothers and sisters, to help us to complete this masjid. Inshallah, it was started by one of our family members, but inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Allah took the donor who was funding this project, and this masjid has stalled for so long. You can see grass has grown into the masjid, and we ask you, our dear brothers and sisters, whoever can help us finish this masjid, to really help us. May Allah reward you abundantly. Whoever builds a house for Allah on earth, that is a masjid, Allah builds for them a house in Jannah. We ask you, this masjid helps teach these young children Quran. People come here and perform prayers, and inshallah we ask whoever is able to help us, whatever contribution, whether big or small, can help go on with this project. We ask for your donations and help. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.